good evening.
Hey Amit. Hey Robert.
Hey guys, good evening.
Yeah, Amit. So you can start with your questions. Have you started watching the videos? And then
Yes,
if you have any,
I have
yeah,
seen this video, and it is more. I think it has been covered in past two classes. So nothing much I can ask in from this video.
sure. The first three videos will be kind of that will be the theory part, little bit, okay. And then
Okay,
after the three videos, it will be all 99% will be only you'll be only seeing the console only. So then that is when you'll be doing lots of hands-on. So
okay. And
keep watching.
one thing that I would like to ask:
Go ahead.
should I get the lab work, or should we get some work whenever anything's finished, that you need to do these examples or these hands-on to your own, and let us know the like some practice
Yes, yes,
example.
we have. Yes, there will be a. This is how it works. I'll be explaining concept. I'll be doing some example. So you have to do that and then post it in the Facebook that you have done that. And at the end, to make sure that you understand it, there will be an example that I will be asking you to do it to resolve it, and then try to do it yourself so that you will be able to do it without the answer. So there will be two kind of things in every concept. I mean,
Okay, okay,
right? So whenever you are completing, make sure you are putting it in the FB group so that I can verify and then make sure we are doing it in the
okay.
right.
And are you covering some Azure or AWS part? How to do those things on Azure,
Yeah.
on
So I mean the PowerShell, right? As I said, the core
PowerShell?
PowerShell will be the exact set. I mean, we will be covering core PowerShell to the answer straight. But this is what I meant. Let's say if you understand the core PowerShell, the Azure and AWS, everything is just another module. Okay. So it is just an approach on then how you need to do that. Okay. So it will be just like if you understand this, the other things will be little bit of 1 or 2% of effort only. Okay, so that's why we are covering only the basics of the core PowerShell, not into all the different modules, and that's not required as well in my experience.
Mhm,
Okay,
mhm.
so if you learn this, that's more than enough to get into any technology.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Excellent. Okay, so hey Robert, you can unmute yourself and then
Yeah, are you
uh,
able to hear me?
yes, Robert. Yeah.
Yeah, Satish. First of all, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, so that was the first session which we got today,
Hmm.
and it was mostly I could say that it was introduction session. So
Exactly.
I
Yeah.
guess we will come up with more questions once we get more into it, maybe later.
Sure. Sure.
Yeah.
The first, as I
So
said. Go ahead.
yeah. So just a quick question. Earlier in the workshop you told us that we will be getting the other bonuses, like the project which you have done, and the GUI which you had prepared earlier,
Mhm.
and things that we can go ahead and check how it is, uh, something like that. So
Yes.
will you
Mhm.
be giving that later, or will you be able to give it
Exactly. Later,
now?
yes. So it will be on a timely manner on the exact time, and it is scheduled on the time. Even you will not be seeing the advanced model now. I mean, another 7 days, whatever given, right? You won't be seeing that now. So it will be later on the time. This is what happened, Robert. We tried giving everything on the same time. I mean, at the same time, people start exploring it, and then without learning, right, they will just try to do something, and then they will be coming up with they lose focus on the actual thing whatever required. right? So that's why we put it in a schedule, and you will be getting everything, and Sanjit will be giving access everything to you on the right time. All right. So the answer is yes, later on the right time.
Yeah, thank you.
Sure.
Uh, yeah. So my next question is about the modules. Suppose in case we are, working on AWS or Azure, and
Mhm,
we get stuck somewhere where we need some kind of need from PowerShell side.
mhm.
So can we ask in this forum, or how do we
Absolutely,
do
yes,
that?
absolutely. Only the concepts are not covering the other modules, and you can ask anything related to your module. Okay, it can be AWS or anything. Okay, anything related to PowerShell, you can ask in the forum. That's for the forums.
Okay. So it's like, basically I am working on a Citrix infrastructure. So
Hmm.
basically my work is related to the Citrix administration. So
Okay,
I manage the VDI as well as the VMware, virtual machines. So
okay,
sometimes I have used PowerCLI, but
okay.
sometimes
You went in mute. Yeah.
yeah, I got a call. Sorry. Am I audible now?
Yes, yes, it is all good.
Yeah. So basically I have used the PowerCLI, but yes, the thing which you told that 80% of the work is, done by PowerShell and 20% of the work is done by GUI. So I used to face a lot of issues when I used to work with PowerShell. Basically, I have to go to Google and check the command and come back to my shell, and then I used to run those commands.
Hmm.
So recently, I have got a project wherein I'm moving all my Citrix VDIs to AWS. Okay,
Okay,
so this will be done through a cloud connector, and I have to prepare all those kind of infrastructure first and do a POC. So my
okay.
question to you is that in case I get into some trouble, when I'm trying to move this and
Mhm.
I need some help with PowerShell, can I, ask in this forum?
This is a project, right? This is something
This is a
very
project.
so
And
the
when you told like
you
earlier that if we are stuck in some project or if we are doing some live project, so, we can discuss it here with you
exactly. You remember I said there will be four calls will be for you. You can
one on
assign
one.
four. Right, one-on-one. So you can use that, okay? Whenever you are ready, whenever you start doing it, and then utilize those four calls, okay, whenever you require. So you can use this kind of project, right? You can take it in that because this requires a lot of understanding from you, from your end. I need to talk, understand what is happening, and then what is happening. You need to share your screen. It will be more of one-on-one. So it will be suitable for one-on-one instead of we keep on going with a thread in the Facebook. So let's when you are starting this project, and then once you learned it, once you are starting this project, we'll use those four calls for the to get this project done, and I'll be helping you on that. Robert.
Okay, okay.
Got
That
it.
works.
Awesome.
So, Satish, currently we have 5.0. So, do you think upgrading 5.0 to 7.0 would help, or can we just continue with 5.0?
Uh, for learning 5.1 and then 7.0, okay, both are almost same, almost 95%, okay.
Mhm.
So should not be a problem. Don't let the upgrade to stop you, okay. Don't wait for the upgrade. I will upgrade, then I will go ahead, okay. Start doing it, okay, and then that the whatever the things we are doing, it should work on the 5.1 as well. Okay, this happened for one of the engineer, like he said I just said okay, well, do the upgrade, and then he was keep on waiting for the upgrade, and then he that made him stop to learn, right? So don't let
Yeah.
anything stop. You go, just go ahead, and then whenever you have time, it is always good to go with the 7.0. Okay, so you got the point, right?
Okay, okay.
Yeah. All right. Excellent. uh, so who else we have? Ankur, do you have any questions?
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Hey, good evening.
So actually, I have downloaded some kind of script you updated today in the portal. In
Okay.
one of the script, I see the in the function there is the three blocks. First is beginning, and second process, and third is end. Okay. So what is the mean of is this three blocks, and how can I use in my daily purpose?
Okay. Honestly, I'm not sure which one we are talking about.
Okay.
Are you in your computer? Can you share your screen?
Can I share?
Yeah. I'll make you as a co-host. Okay. Just
Okay.
give me. And before we go to that, Ankur, let's complete if anyone else don't have other questions, right? We'll complete them. Okay.
Okay.
So that we don't have to
Okay.
take their time. Okay.
Okay.
So, so Narendra, Samir, Teja, if you have any other questions, you can ask, or if it is about the onboarding, I'll be helping you with those questions. And then this, whatever I'm gonna share with Ankur, that will be recorded, and you can take it in your time whenever you want. I don't want to put everyone's time in the same place. So, if any technical question, you can hang on. If there is no other question, you can drop off. All right.
Sure. Thanks.
Okay. So yeah, before you drop off, any other question? Narendra, you can unmute.
Nothing from my side. Just wanted to know the timings from tomorrow.
Mhm.
From tomorrow session timings.
Uh, okay. Okay, there is no timing. Okay, every day you will be getting 4 o'clock access. You got the teachable, right? So Narendra, that is where you will be getting the access every day. Okay, and then you will be watching the video. Only the live is the timing based, because on Saturday and then Wednesday at 7:30. Okay, so that's the time, and then you will get a reminder for that as well. Other than that, all the videos is just the time it will be you will be getting access will be on a daily basis 4 o'clock, and then once you get the access you can watch it anytime. Okay, there is no time limit, or you should watch it on the same day. There is nothing. Take it your own pace. Okay, the important thing is don't need to compete others. Make sure you are learning correctly, and then one by one, okay, without missing the points. So that's the thing. So about that's the timing, and then that's the thing.
Yeah, clear.
Awesome. Okay. Samir, do you have any question?
Yeah, hi,
Hey, Samir.
Satish. I don't have any question right now because I didn't get a chance to go through the videos that you shared today. So let me go through them. If I
Yeah.
have any questions, I will ask you in the next live session.
Okay. That
It's
brings
on
the
Saturday, right?
yes, Saturday. Yeah. That brings a very important point. I used to repeat this, but this is what will happen, guys. Amit, Robert, Narendra, everyone who are joined today, right? Uh, First thing, okay, you may not have time to watch it on the same day, so don't don't let that stop you to get procrastinate. Okay, usually we will procrastinate, right? We will go to gym first day, second day, and then third day we will procrastinate, or if we miss 1 or 2 days we will be procrastinate. So that will definitely happen. Okay, that's our human nature. So if you are missing 1 day or 2 day, even 3 days, don't worry about it. Take it in your own time pace. Okay, the only main thing is we need to understand the 14 days and then another 7 days. That's all we need about the PowerShell. Okay, take it in your own pace, and then you have 90 days to clarify all the questions, right? So there is nothing we are leaving behind or we are missing or anything. So keep that mindset and then keep learning, and then that should work. Samir. Okay, so that's for everyone. Hope
Sure.
that's all right, Samir. Okay, guys. Okay, so if others don't have any other questions, you can drop off, guys. Okay, if at all you want to stay and then watch what is happening, that is also fine. Okay, it's your call. Okay, and you can share your screen. I'll make you as a co-host. Okay. Sanjit, can you make him co-host? I don't have access. Sorry.
All right, sure. Ankur, you'll be able to share your screen now.
Excellent. Yeah, I could see it. Yeah. Okay, I could see. Are you in mute?
Oh, sorry, I was mute.
Yeah. Okay.
This beginning and process and end.
Okay. Okay. What I mean, what is this about? I mean,
What is this? Why
where
we
did
are
you,
writing in beginning some code of in beginning block and some of process block and some an end block? Why we are writing like this?
okay, it is just to organize it. Okay, there is nothing technically. There is no beginning or ending
Okay.
or anything like that. Okay,
Okay.
so let's say for an example, we will be writing functions, right? Functions will be whenever we want to recall, right?
Okay.
So this end and this one is for our organizing. Let's say you and me and then another three people are working on one single project. Okay, we all
Okay.
need to have some kind of a protocol to understand that we are writing in the same order, right? So let us say we are actually working on SQL project. Okay, SQL where it will be starting will be or Azure or anything. Starting will be connecting to the SQL server or connecting to the SQL. Okay, that is the start. Okay,
Okay.
instead of we name it in the let's say hash or something, right? So in spite of that, okay, you see right at the end hash end function. Okay, in spite at the very you see end begin all those things, right? So
Okay.
instead of that, we are putting into a block. Okay,
Okay.
an example, if you click on the begin and then if you start, just click on begin, it will actually shrink. Okay, if you don't want to see that, right, you can only focus on process. So it's
Okay.
just an organization purpose. There is
Okay.
nothing technical. Okay, when you are doing this, I'll also know, okay, the beginning block is working, I can just take it and then copy in my script, and then I can work on different thing. I can
Okay.
you will be the one
Okay.
creating the thing, I'll be the one updating the one, Sanjit will be the one deleting those things. Okay, the process, it's again begin process, all this just a name. Okay, just to organize. You got it?
Yes, I got it, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So excellent. You are start doing it, and then that's where you are the first, second guy I'm seeing that you are using the Visual Studio, though. So you're already way ahead. Excellent. Okay. So keep up.
Actually, I was working with since 3 years with PowerShell, and I mostly I prepare my script in Visual Studio. It is very easy tool actually.
Yeah, yeah, very, very easy. By sometimes by seeing this, right, we will be getting little bit skeptical because this is how we will be seeing the Java, JD, all those things that is
Yes, sir.
complicated. So we will get skeptical, even I, everyone. So that's why it will be initially it will be, and then once you get the comfort, right, this will be the wonderful tool even for a most complicated project. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you can upgrade it to GitHub. You can create your own GitHub. All the things. Okay, the one single tool will be taking care of everything. All
Okay.
right, Ankit. So, if any other question, Ankit?
No, sir. Thank you.
All right. Okay, then. So take care. And then, if there is no other question, guys, we will drop off. Any other question, guys? Robert, Sami.
No, I'm good. Thank you.
All right, guys. Okay, guys. So have a wonderful evening, and then we'll talk in the next session. So come. We'll talk. Bye. Take care.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thanks. Yeah.